YouTube channel. Today's video is gonna surprise you because after this video you would never go to the hairdressers to trim your hair, and I'm gonna show you how to do this at home. Okay, things you need are comb, scissors, scrunchie, and something to wet your hair. But if your hair is straight, you can do this while your hair is dry. But I'm gonna do this blindfolded actually because I want to show you guys how easy this is, but you don't do this. This is not for you. Just don't forget to wear one of your old clothes because the hair is gonna stick to your to your clothes, so make sure you don't wear any of your new clothes. Okay, I'm good. Let's do this. The first thing I'm gonna do is to wet my hair. I normally add some conditioner to the water, but I didn't do that today, but that's fine. Where is the comb? Okay. Now, I'm going to comb my hair. You guys notice whenever we go to the hairdresser, we end up being disappointed. I always end up being disappointed because they cut my hair too short, and I'm just so obsessed with my hair. I don't know why. Oh, I put a trash can over here so I wouldn't make a mess. After you wet your hair, we're going to bring our hair to the front. Make sure you get everything. And here should be flat. Make sure that you comb everything upright. Okay, I wish I did this with my eyes open. So, you just have to comb everything. Now, we're going to tie our hair here where the hair started to grow. You see here, I got everything, and it's like flat over here. It's like flat. Okay, I'm gonna tie my hair here. Actually, there are two ways. I'm gonna tell you both of them. I know quarantine is kind of over in many places, but you can use this if you're still feeling uncomfortable going to the hairdressers because of the coronavirus. Okay. Now, that you bring your hair to the front, you decide the length of your hair. I mean, how much you want to cut it. Okay, if you bring it here, you will cut more of your hair, but if it's upper, you will cut less. Now, I'm gonna cut like 1 or 2 inches. You guys can see, I hope this is 1 or 2. I put the trash can over here. Okay. I'm gonna cut this part right here. Make sure you don't cut your finger, and do this with eyes open. Now, I think I cut too much. Now when you open it, you can see that you have cut your hair successfully, and you can check to see if they're even. They usually end up even. Look, I'm gonna open my eye now. Okay. Hey, you see guys, I can come a little like this. You guys, it's amazing. I cut my hair. Okay, now, if it's not even, you can bring them here, and then you can cut from here to make sure they're even. Another way, if you want to give it like the layer style, you have to bring your hair up like this. I don't know, maybe I will cut it like this. You will bring all of your hair over here. Make sure to get everything and make sure it's flat at the back of your head. And then you will turn it all the way up like this. All the way up. And then I'm not gonna cut it, I'm just gonna show you guys because I cut too much. And then like this, actually I'm gonna cut it a little bit. You will get this. And also this way. And even this way. And when you let go of your hair, you will have the layer style. I'm gonna show you how to cut like this part of your head. You guys would need like a triangle over here that is like coming to your eyebrows like this. Do you see? Like this, coming to your eyebrows. And also here. And then we are going to use our fingers to turn it. You see? I'm going to show you one more time. You're going to use your fingers to turn it. And you can decide the length yourself. I'm not gonna cut it too much, so maybe like this. I'm just gonna cut this much. I hope you guys can see this much. And now I'm gonna make them like, make this part reach to this part that is shorter. Like this. This might be a little bit hard at first. I'm just gonna cut it a little bit. And then again, this part. And now go to the other side.